Hi, hello learners. So welcome to Manubon History Quiz Competition. Round 1. So who said this? So first question, the condition of India's loyalty is India's freedom. Answer, Annie Besant. Question 2. Cripps mission is a post-dated check on a falling bank. Answer, Gandhi G. Question number 3. Patriotism is a religion and religion is love for India. Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 4. Only madmen outside lunatic asylums could think or talk of independence. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Question number 5. Suraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Answer, Balagangadhar Tilak. Question number 6. Give me your blood and I will give you freedom. Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Round 2. Who am I? Question number 1. Father of Indian unrest. Answer, Balagangadhar Tilak. Question number 2. Grand Old Man of India. Answer, Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 3. Lion of Punjab. Answer, Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Question number 4. Bismarck of India. Answer, Vallabhai Patel. Question number 5. Father of Indian Renaissance. Answer, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question number 6. National Teacher of India. Answer, Vinoba Bhave. Round 3. Identify the picture. Picture 1 and the answer, Chandrasekhar Azad. Picture 2, Lakshmi Sehgal. Picture number 3, answer, Mangal Pandey. Picture number 4, Lala Lajpat Rai. Picture number 5, Abul Kalam Azad. Picture number 6, answer, Sir John Simon. Round 4. Name the author of the book. Question number 1. India Home Rule. Answer, Gandhiji. Question number 2. An Indian pilgrim. Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 3. The feather of the dawn. Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 4. The poverty and un-British rule in India. Answer, Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 5. A nation in making. Answer, Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 6. Why I am an atheist? Answer, Bhagat Singh. Round 5. Find out the term. Question number 1. Movement started in 1905 for the promotion of indigenous goods. Answer, Swadeshi movement. Question number 2. A representative of Crown of England. Answer, Viceroy. Question number 3. Zamindars got hereditary rights over the land on condition that they paid a fixed amount of revenue to the state. Answer, permanent settlement. Question number 4. Prime Minister of Maratha kings who later became the hereditary rulers of the Maratha Empire of Central India. Answer, Peshwa. Question number 5. Commercialism on trade activities with the profit in view. Answer, mercantilism. Question number 6. The act of acquiring more territories in foreign land. Answer, imperialism. Round 6. Advent of Europeans. East India Company got Bombay on lease for just a rent. dash. Option A 10 pounds, option B 20 pounds, option C 30 pounds, option D 40 pounds. And the answer 10 pounds. Question number 2. Who was the French governor in India from 1735 to 1741? Option A Dupleix, option B Colbert, option C Francis Caron, option D Dumas. And the answer Dumas. Question number 3. Name the English merchant who bought the Madras site from a local Nayak. Option A Sir Thomas Roe, option B John Mildenhall, option C Robert Clive, option D Francis Day. Answer Francis Day. Question number 4. Who formed the Vernick Just Indische Compagnie trading company? Option A Danish, option B French, option C Portuguese, option D Dutch. Answer Dutch. Question number 5. Whose policy is known as Blue Water Policy? Option A Van der Hagen, option B Pedro Alvarez Cabral, option C Francis de Almeida, option D Alfonso de Albuquerque. And the answer Francisco de Almeida. Question number 6. Charles II got Bombay as a dowry after his marriage with the Princess of Dash. Option A France, option B Spain, option C Netherlands, option D Portugal. Answer Portugal. Round 7. Governor Generals and Viceroy. Lord Wellesley is praised as option A Lion of the Company, option B Aristocrat of the Company, option C Akbar of the Company, option D Captain of the Company. Answer Akbar of the Company. Question number 2. Name the biographer who sums up Dalhousie work in India in 3 words: conquest, consolidation and development. Option A W. Hunter, option B George Robert, option C Edward Hilton, option D Agnes Gibran. And the answer W. Hunter. Question number 3. Who was the following involved in Nandakumar case? Option A George Barlow, option B Lord Minto, option C Warren Hastings, option D Cornwallis. Answer Warren Hastings. Question number 4. Innes describes the first war waged by Dash as the most unqualified blunder committed in the whole history of British India. Option A Lord Auckland, option B Lord Hammersmith, option C Lord Ellenborough, option D Lord Hoddinge. Answer Lord Auckland. Question number 5. Who introduced the Gagging Act? Option A Lord Canning, option B Lord Elaine, option C Lord Ripon, option D Lord Lytton. Answer Lord Lytton. Question number 6. Who followed neither the forward policy nor back to the Indus policy? Option A Curzon, option B Lord Irwin, option C Lord Wavell, option D Lord Wellington. And the answer Lord Curzon. Round 8. Odd one out. Aravind Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subramania Siva, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Question number 1. Answer Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Question number 2. Lord Ellenborough, Lord Lawrence, Lord Linlithgow, Lord Elaine. Answer Lord Ellenborough. Question number 3. Henry Vivian Derasio, H.P. Blavatsky, Swami Dayanand, Alan Octavian Hume. Answer A.O. Hume. Question number 4. Satyagraha in Champaran, Satyagraha in Kheda, Satyagraha in Ahmedabad, Satyagraha in Bardoli. Answer Satyagraha in Bardoli. Question number 5. Satara, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Awadh. Answer Awadh. Question number 6. Sarojini Naidu, Rajagopalachari, Kelappan, Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer Lala Lajpat Rai. So round 9. Whose voice is this? So this round is based on audio round. Here we are not giving audio, but consider this one as a audio. Audio 1, answer Lord Mountbatten. Audio 2, Rabindranath Tagore. Audio 3, Jawaharlal Nehru. Audio 4, Swami Vivekananda. Audio 5, Subhash Chandra Bose. Audio 6, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Round 10. Complete the sentence. Two prominent Punjab leaders who were arrested in 1919 were dash and dash. Answer Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu. Question number 2. In India, dash and dash started the Khilafat movement. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Question number 3. The headquarters of East India, East and West Bengal were dash and dash respectively. Answer Dhaka and Calcutta. Question number 4. The famous Western scholars who studied the ancient Indian literature were dash and dash. William Jones and Max Muller. Question number 5. The pioneers of religious and social reforms in Parsi community were dash and dash. Answer Dadabhai Nauroji and Nauroji Phudunji. Question number 6. Dash and dash formed the Swaraj Party. Answer C. R. Das and Motilal Nehru. So that's it. This from quiz competition. So even this one is used for inter-college quiz